Now we are going to start with the aspirin, that is a non-narcotic drug, in detail. See, if you look for the the structure for the aspirin, then it is this. As you can see, a benzene ring with carboxylic acid and this group, right? And likewise, we have another analgesic, that is paracetamol, and its structure is like this as it is given. So if we'll talk about the narcotic, that is non-addictive aspirin, so we see that it actually inhibits, that means it retards the synthesis of chemical, that is prostaglandins, which actually is it is responsible for the inflammation, and it also causes pain. So aspirin is the one which actually you can say prevent the synthesis of this prostaglandins, which is this cause behind the pain also and cause behind the inflammation also. And if we talk about that where the aspirin is used, it is used for relieving skeletal pain like arthritis. It actually relieves the pain, the skeleton pain, that is like arthritis. It is antipyretic also, that is they reduce fever also, and they have anti-blood clotting action also. They have anti-blood clotting action also, which can be used in the prevention of heart attacks. But there is a major disadvantage of taking an aspirin, as it has a toxic effect on liver also. That means it actually have an adverse effect on liver also. So it has a disadvantage, like if you take the aspirin in large amount, that means the amount which is not recommended as well. So then it actually affects the liver, as it is toxic to the liver. So likewise, the aspirin is performing these kind of functions. So these functions, similar functions, are performed by the paracetamol also. That is again a non-narcotic drug.